Here's a quick overview for how you're going to get started with Powtoon. So you will go to powtoon.com and then you will sign up for free. You will choose to sign in with Google and just go ahead and choose your Bullis Google account. The first time you do this, you'll have to type in your Google information so that it identifies you. From there, you can use a custom ready-made Powtoon or you can start from scratch. I'm going to just start from scratch here. And then you can choose one of their themes and templates if you want, but make sure you're not using the business or pro ones because those you do have to pay for. So I'm going to choose one of the themes and I'm going to press go to get started. And it will take a moment for it to load its awesomeness. Once that is ready, you can skip the tutorial or you can watch it, depending on how comfortable you feel after this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose to add some text. So you just click on the text right here on the right, and then you double click to edit as it tells you to do. So then I can do the normal things like resize by just, dragging like that. I can change the font if I want. I can also rotate just like that. Little hint, if you press the shift key, it will make it normal again. And I can make the text bigger, smaller, and stuff like that. You see this little plus T here? That will give you some cool text effects. So you can have plain. You can also use this handwritten animation style, or you can have it pop in word by word like that. And there are some other cool effects that you can choose. I'm going to choose this word by word effect and press apply. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image. You can choose to upload from your desktop or you can just do an image search right here. I'm going to search for a sunny day. Make sure that you're not using the premium types because again you have to pay for those. I chose a sunny day and they're giving me an umbrella. I'm going to choose this one just because it's pretty and colorful. So then you can resize as you would any image. Again, you can just click up here to rotate and stuff like that. I can also use this to crop my image. So it's a really easy way to crop. I didn't want to crop it, so I'm going to undo. You see up here you have an undo and a redo button, so I'm going to undo that. You can also flip the image just like that. Anyway, that looks good to me, so I'll just kind of move things around. Good to go. Now, down here, this is your timeline because it's kind of like a movie going on. So I'm going to back it up to the very beginning and press the play button. You'll see that the text comes up and then the image comes up. Why is that? Click on the text and you'll see that it starts at 0 seconds and it ends at 3 seconds. If I click on the image, however, it starts at 1 second and ends at 3 seconds. So if I wanted to start this later, I could just move it to 2 seconds. And then let's move our timeline back to the start. Press play. So now you can see that the image pops up a little bit later. Say this isn't enough time for your slide, you want it to be like a 5-second slide, you can just use this plus and minus button to increase and decrease the duration there. And now if I click on the text, it is going for the first 5 seconds and the image is going from 2 seconds to 5 seconds. I can click this icon right here to choose how I want that image to appear. So maybe I want it to come in from the right. Again, let me back it up to the beginning. Press play, boom, and now it just kind of slides in. So now I'm happy with this first slide and I'm ready to record my voiceover for this specific slide. To do that, I'm going to go to the sounds button and you press the record button. The first time you do this, you will have to press allow right here. So just press allow and then close and then start your recording. You set the countdown and now it's recording. Here's my Powtoon. And when I'm done, I will just press stop recording. You can preview it by just pressing this play button. And now it's recording. You can also change the volume if it's too loud or too soft. You can change that. When you're done, just press save. You'll see on this one, I recorded for more than 5 seconds. So that wouldn't fit on my entire thing. So I can increase the timeline to fit the recording, and that will automatically, see that automatically increased it to actually 8 seconds that I talked there. I want to make sure that everything aligns properly if I do that though. So now you'll see that my text slide, I need to adjust it so that it lasts the entire 8 seconds. My image, I want it to last the entire 8 seconds. Go back to the beginning, preview, and make sure you're happy. And now it's recording. Here's my Powtoon. Now that I'm happy with this, I'm going to add another slide. So go over here and press Add New Slide. So now that I'm on my second slide, I'm going to add text again. I'm going to choose this time to do that handwritten animation thing. Press Apply. And maybe I want to put a shape. I'm just going to drag in this button. All right, make it a little bit bigger. And then again, I'm ready to record my voiceover. So just press the record. And 3, 2, 1. Here is my second slide. Yay. Save that, and you can see that it was added there. Now at this point, I want to save my presentation, so I'm going to just title it and press save. There we go. And now when I'm feeling pretty good, I'm feeling done with this, I'm going to just preview it to see what it looks like. So that preview button. And now it's recording. Here's my Powtoon. And when I'm done, I will just press. Okay, so you get the point. So if you were happy with this, I'm not happy with this, but this is just a demonstration, then you will use this export button. And we are going to export to YouTube. So the first time you do this, you need to add your account, and you would just use your Bullis email account again. So that will be linked to your Bullis YouTube channel that you have. Make sure that you choose here that the video is going to be either unlisted or public. Make sure that it is not private, otherwise your teacher will not be able to view it. So I'm going to choose unlisted for this one and then press next. You have to select a category, so I'm just going to choose education, again unlisted here, title your presentation, and then you will press next when you're ready. You don't have a lot of options here. These are all premium options, so just upload your Powtoon and then it will upload to YouTube. So it will tell you here, congratulations. Once the export is finished, you will be notified by email. So you will be notified by email as soon as your video is on YouTube, but if you wait on this page long enough, you will get this message here. Your Powtoon has been exported to YouTube, and if you click on that, there's your project in YouTube, and you can just use this link, or you can use this share link right here to share with your teacher or to put on your Weebly page, whatever you need to do with it. And that's it.